Very good evening and welcome to the quick run of the fourth day's play at the Sylhet International Cricket Stadium. We've had an intriguing day's play, as you'll see from the match summary here. Two low first innings, 278 and 232. Bangladesh posting 390 thanks to Mushfiqur's 137. Pakistan coming back strongly at one point in time in a good position, have ended the day on 316 for 7, still needing 121 runs to win, and Bangladesh need a few wickets to wrap it up. Right, it's a pleasure to have Sikandar Bakht alongside me. Pakistan promised a lot right through the day, but eventually Bangladesh managed to claw back.
Yeah, you got to give credit where it's due. I mean, Pakistan 437, mammoth total, but they paced it out very nicely, scoring 100 per session. Yes, they lost wickets during the way. I think the partnership between Shan and Babar, and then later on the Salman and Rizwan partnership, kept them in the game. And even if you have a loss after such a performance, it doesn't hurt that much. Still, the match is on. Rizwan is still out there, but 92 Babar Shan, 134 Salman Rizwan. They really made a little bit of a worry or concern in the opposite camp for a while.
Yes, for a while. And actually, the manner of getting out was just having a look at the six-wicket partnership, 134. This was threatening, to say the least. I know it's a huge target, but still, once you got the momentum going, you make it worrisome for the opposition.
I think they played very well. Spin and using their feet against them. You can see how many singles they've got, both of them in this partnership, all around the park. And they just took very calculated risk wherever it was required, those blue lines being the boundaries and that one maximum in there. I think they really paced it out. 101 first session, 99 second session, 116 in the third session, only if they had a few more wickets.
Well, that's always the question. But I think during the game itself, Bangladesh took certain opportunities, and unfortunately, the manner of getting out, Babar Azam trying to glance one, Inoku's delivery down the leg side, and that gap that was left by Salman to give the strike, the most important strike, the turning point, I feel, those are little things that that will worry them.
Well, I guess it was unlucky for Babar to be, caught. It was a very good catch, though, by the wicketkeeper, Liton Das. But him, and then a very good catch at short leg. Those little efforts, those brilliant efforts, make the biggest change. I mean, those partnerships were broken just at the right time. End of every session, they had something to celebrate.
Yeah, and to celebrate Bangladesh's march towards what might turn out to be a victory tomorrow is the effort of Tajul Islam. He really came back a little bit of a surprise when he was given the new ball, started off erratically with a full toss, and then this happened.
Yeah, that was a beauty. I mean, it surprised Salman as well. Just rushed through, skidded through, new ball in hand. And then this probably could have been avoided had Rizwan not given him strike on the second ball of the over. But it is what it is. That's where we stand. Rizwan is still out there, 70 odd not out. Well, let's see if they can produce something special, but still a long way to go, 125.
Yeah, indeed, and a lot to look forward to on the fifth day. And both teams will be vying to just get back and make their presence felt. Dutch Bangla Test Series, the second test, the last day, fifth day tomorrow at 9:45, live from the Sylhet International Cricket Stadium. I'm sure you're going to join us for that. Well, Sikandar, thanks for your thoughts. Look forward to a good day tomorrow.
We will.
And thank you all for watching. A very good night.